Ebusian for ha Ghana 7 TV GH, mestre or like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusian for 2-in-1. 2-in-1 because of time and other stuff. Now we are discussing Ab0a apapo and I say sana yekanana Owusu Bempah. Now the new designation of Owusu Bempah say the senior okay, he's a senior aide to Honorable Kennedy Ejapon. Owusu Bempah no senior aide to Kennedy Ejapon and Deputy Communications Director for NPP. Needing any designation, no. Now, Endra, okopie or Angel FM so Angel FM ni Angel TV in an interview with Sadiq, one-on-one interview with Sadiq. Now, in that interview, he was asked to mark the 1 year of John Mahama, and him say, okay, it's already 8th January here, but yesterday was 7th January, exactly a year since John Mahama, His Excellency, was sworn in as a President of the Republic of Ghana. So how well has it done? Or how bad has it done? Now, Owusu Bempah said something that I want us to listen to briefly, just within a minute or two, and then we'll come back and speak about what we think about what they said, and then how you also see the 1 year of John Mahama so far. So let's listen to this.
Every man bear 30%. Conducting who you first did in your crowd, that was very abysmal.
Now, see, now, economy generally, so 1 year, you know. Baby, I free ne cry as I take petrol. So, and also, by say, which economy.
What did Obama make a car? I'm a ferry.
Are they?
The ferry, I'm a ferry.
Oh,
yeah, make a can. There be na I'm a ferry. Why? Because you're presidential candidate, you know, but catch say, well, lucky city. You know, now you're confident. Say, we NPP, the only political party I have. Yet me, I'm a $1 I 1-to-1. President Kufuor.
Yeah.
With Dr. Bawumia coming from a Kufuor to Kofa and say, ordinary ba. Na ordinary ba be economic year or no be handle economy, no. NPP was so emboldened with that kind of leadership. And anything and a different candidate. Asema kofa asem kase pa na dia ba no.
Oh, some busa.
Because say uka sidi asemwa na me as an NPP communications person na ma ferry.
Hey.
Yes, I'm being honest with you. Na ma ferry. Because say hello. Ya wa ba mu no. Na ye wo economic leader bit say Dr. Bawumia. And him say kebetima handle the city to the level you be who say no bibia koso Ghana. You go to abato na city that say. Yeah, let's be honest with ourselves. And then NDC I from the incompetent one, Dr. Bawumia the kind, the incompetent Bawumia, Mahama. Let's be honest with ourselves. And then NDC I from the incompetent one, Dr. Bawumia the kind, the incompetent Bawumia, Mahama. And then yes, you only want some Roma kofa go to the akotu baby na see the nimu do me also Bempah me koka bi a ferry. Minti koka.
Dear Mahama, economy.
Debbie, me ferry. Asema me county ase. Me ferry because minti koka. Dear na me koka.
Na say what?
Debbie, dear na me koka. Me busa wo Obama o dear na me koka.
Oh, say o koka ne say.
Me kan say.
Debbie, amomo na mo ye hihye.
Debbie o me kan say.
Me say nra me
me hihye bia.
Mo na mo de hihye.
Me hihye bia. Me hihye bia. But me dey me kan say me dey ma ferry.
Enye gold for oil na.
There be gold for oil no say different issue altogether. But they make catch you see the Ghana ni no te makola no te. You know, they were expecting, they know say NPP is the only political party. You team manage the economy.
Right.
And their track records are there to show under J. Kufuor. Miami of Akojo Banredu of blessed memory. They were able to manage the city 1-to-1. Meboa.
Yes.
Today na asisa oseche Jamasia Tumpana. Ne. Me amiti hey me ntimi defend it. Say obi kontra radio sami jemfi no mo kan and ye the gold akogu ha and ye say ya sidi no baby agina no me metima koka ho asem
na den na wo ka economy ni sidi asem wo bo wo fa ene Akojo Banredu na waboje Kufuor na ye nim say ne so ato force no bi ebo na baso finance minister onema aden na dru Dr. Bawumia de no so de ono mom na ama na ye finance minister.
Debut finance minister say na when tie asema Dr. Bawumia guy. The speech bi do ko ka elo say economic management on the guru Abobo Professor Jambafo anyone he was in charge.
For the more you listen to this guy, you will develop a headache. That was a year Asema a year Usu Bempa Ekaye yesterday, live on Angel FM and Angel TV. Even when the host was drawing his attention to the fact, say, Nukre no, that CD recovery no, number one, started under NPP. Number two, a gold purchasing program Ab0a buy the same model and Sami Jenfi's gold board are following, and which is maybe helping in the recovery of the currency, coupled with the way they are pumping over 11 billion into the forest market, which is rather ending up empowering the US for economy. You know? This guy says they're on him, he doesn't know anything about that. And he, as a deputy communications director of NPP, you know, he does not know, he does not know of any good thing NPP has done about the financial sector under Akufo-Addo. The same government Owusu Bempa serve in as communication director for NPP deputy, and then as a PRO Ghana Gas no. And Nedie Ghana Gas Juma one or say nothing better came out of that Ghana Gas, because Ghana Gas is a contributing factor to our economy. And Owusu Bempa say he's feeling shy to talk about anything that has happened under Akufo-Addo. How can human beings be this envious of just another person to the extent, say, they are willing to even throw the entire political party that has made them wealthy, that has made them rich under the bus? That is Owusu Bempa for you. And this is a senior aide to Honorable Kennedy Ohini Ejapon. And to say Honorable Kennedy Ejapon Bekachiro say, no dear, Adia Jomahama Yeno, the whole thing that Jomahama Yeno doesn't see anything wrong with it, does not see, he cannot criticize Mahama. You know where it is coming from now. And you know any entire team no. This is what we are discussing. This one combined with the 1 year of Ejo Mahama. What do you think about it? Obiayen in 10, 5 minutes now. Yeah, sorry, Sue. Right. When we've talked about me, 5 minutes. Mama Mary Ada. Okay, Mama Mary Ada, dear, and Mama Pounds. Oh, 5 minutes. All right, Mama Pounds is Wada. Right, Moses. Is it my network? Okay.
Yeah,
Moses.
I'm here.
All right. Did you listen to the interview?
Yes, I did.
But did you understand it?
I said, yes, I understand.
All right,
Fortunately, I understand. Just that I'm not able to speak.
Sure.
So
5 minutes.
As I mentioned earlier, I think it is the party's leadership, because we have shown weakness, and that's why they're doing that. This guy shouldn't be parading himself as a deputy national communication director or whatever of our party. He shouldn't even hold any executive position. If you are a communication officer or even a party member, and you can go on live TV to degenerate your own government because you are supporting a candidate in an internal election, that is something that I don't even know how to describe it. So this guy, clearly, if we had good structures in the party and our party executives are serious about building the morals and principles of the party, then he should have been relieved of his position a long time. How will he campaign for Ab0a if in an event that he wins? Having said that on TV as a communication officer. So as I mentioned, if their mind is that if they lose, they are going to break away, because their posture and everything, their communication, going on live TV to defend the government. So how are they going to campaign if their candidate lose, or even if their candidate wins? How do you come back to say that the NDC government is not doing well and you should bring in a Japan? You know, they are doing that scenario that they said, if it is we all go down, like the King Solomon story where the woman who
the child
died, said that cut the baby into two. That's what they are doing. They know that they are going to lose, so because of that, they want everybody to go down with them. So we have to be aware of that and avoid the bait that they are throwing. We shouldn't go down with them. Bawumia should not respond to any allegations that Ken Japan will level against him. Well-meaning party faithfuls know that Ken Japan is a liar. In 2023, he said Bawumia's team approached him to bribe him with $800 million. How much? Even the entire disbursement of IMF in the phase 1 and phase 2 is around 600 and something $million. And so where did he get that money? $800 million to bribe Kenya Japan to step down for him to contest. And the party overlooked all these lies. He came on live TV to insult the ministers, said he will give the president a showdown. Nobody is a man better than all of Bema send me as if we are fighting. It is not a fight. It's a contest of ideas. Tell the delegates what you want to do. Not to go and degenerate the other person and insult the entire party and make it look like you were not part of it. You have just been imported from Mars.
Right.
So
in
even
3 minutes, the 1 year of John Mahama.
The 1 year of John Mahama, as I think we spoke about this yesterday, most of the things are cosmetic. It will take time for us to be able to determine whether he's doing well will be 2027. But for now, he hasn't paid contractors that the government owed them money. He hasn't paid them. He hasn't paid even salaries of nurses. He hasn't released money to some of the ministries that they budgeted for. So, for instance, last year they budgeted how much? Well, 1.2 billion for agriculture ministry, and they released less than 200 million. That's not what we are talking about. Let them start spending money, and let's see if they will still be able to do, or let anything happen and gold prices fall back to 2,000 or back to 3,000, and let's see if they will still be able to be pumping $1 billion every month to just intervene.
As a Ghanaian living in US, looking back on your country, your home country, are you proud? This current state.
Well, there are so many things that I must admit, yes, at the moment, though prices of goods are not going that down, but they see this stability for now. It's a good thing if they maintain it. I always say that. Inflation, they say, calm down.
If it's a good thing, why are you people refusing to send money down?
No, we do. We still do. It's just that we don't.
I can tell you that.
We don't try to figure.
So you are not sending money down now because you know very well that the exchange rate is not reflective of even the true value of the money you are actually sending.
Yeah. So that's the thing. I mentioned here yesterday that you cannot reconcile whatever that is going on. You can't have inflation run all the way from 23 to 6.2% and your currency appreciate against the dollar at 40%. These are cosmetics. And your GDP growth decline from 5% to 4% from 5% in 2024 to 4%, yet your GDP in nominal terms increased from 68 billion to 112 billion. These are things that I'm not able to reconcile them. So I don't trust the figures. I believe most of them are cooked. Government has not employed anybody. There's no any economic activity in Ghana to increase our GDP except Galamsey. So I don't see how they are able to compute or reach that value. So it may be the reason why many people are not trusting the government and they are not sending money. That's one of the issues. And you are asking if I'm proud of the country. Yes, I'm always proud of my country. I love my country. And there are things that are going down that I'm worried about. The insecurity, how people are being shot, like in America here. Then you hear that they have shot this person, they have killed this person, they have attacked here, and some conflicts. And we are having refugees going to Burkina Faso and Ivory Coast and all that. The
Ivory
Boko
Coast,
conflict
yeah.
escalated. The Walwale Nairi issues are escalating everywhere. There are pockets of violence and all these things that are really worrying. And the way they are packing the courts and turning them into kangaroo courts, and they're making Ghana look like a banana republic. And the fact that they're using state security to intimidate people, they used to say that Akufo-Addo was presiding a culture of silence in government. Now, the real culture of silence is here. They can use your IP address to trace you and, pick you up, intimidate you, give you a ridiculous bail condition that you cannot meet. So all these things are not things that I'm proud of. But of course, the city stability, yes, I'm looking forward. I sincerely ways that they succeed, because if things go well, it's for the benefit of every citizen. So if they're able to maintain the stability of the city, yes, it's something that I'll be proud of. If they're able to maintain inflation, it's something that I'll be proud of.
Right. Thank you, Moses, for that brilliant one. Yeah, and Sabina, are you ready?
No, just 1 minute. I'm coming. I'm coming to talk about the city stability that he just spoke about. Hold on, please. I'm coming, please.
Yeah. All right. So, God tender. Yes. Ab0a interview, no?
Yeah, I'm very disappointed. I'm very disappointed.
5 minutes.
Yeah, that's it. Ab0a any era credit company. I'm very disappointed in him. Say, deputy communication director, Emma NPP. Na only defend the NPP or public. It's very sad. It's very sad to see a such person or party anymore. You know the. But you come Mahama 1 year no so. Mahama 1 year no. Me man percentage give Mahama negative 0.5%. Entra me kasa. For the past 1 year you know any good move be a minimum. See now.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, it's true. Oh, I'm going to get to Olanchi and one who be a bumana. Olanchi and I don't know Olanjan and Kola Wuye, and Golansi Wuye. You don't say a move be mana. A move, I've not seen any good move in the national minimum free soon. Onye any government expenditure being where government do aye or minor are stagnant. And our pumping on mine sika. A pump minister over $11 million dollars $80 dollar. And says he cannot. Who this cannot come on my for and on my for the you. And a one castle kura would disun. A dominant a sofa. Nurses, teachers, a sofa. Contractors for a sofa. We have not paid them. Teachers, nurses, I juma over 1 year. We have not paid them. Contractors, you have not paid them. What I say, and our minor is stagnant. And I would when $80 needs to raised on one scale. Now what they are bought one basso, actually supporters. And our minor is suffer. At the same time, says he can't would the chasing I carry a to Ghana for Ghana for 8 years. A beam your electricity, your water bill, any other terrorism increase. Me who are not say dollar a swati, see the swati increase. Thirdly, goods and services reduce increase. What I say, but also dollar swear see the swati, dollar swati, yeah, dollar swati, MSCD gaining strength. Meanwhile, a normal and Cassidy no any dollar no be goods and services a decrease Ghana for what home. Yes, I tier. It means say a inferior a planting be no way. Why? Because our position ɔka saa nsɛm wei de ma ne supporters no nti ɔyɛ saa de wei ɛde aka kyɛ ne nkurɔfoɔ no sɛ mekase mɛyɛ ampa mɛyɛ but ɛyɛ fake two yɛ insecurity ɔman no mu no yɛ insecurity no security service no ɛyɛ adeɛ a ɛha ɔman no insecurity for the past 1 year no bi ɔbɛyɛ president no yɛnhwɛ Ghanafoɔ a ɔmo akɔkɔyɛ refugees ɛwɔ nkurɔfoɔ man so very bad to the nation biem yɛnhwɛ Ghanafoɔ a yɛkum wɔn ɛwɔ man no mu it's not safe for Ghanaians yɛnhwɛ soldiers ne policefoɔ incompetent actions a ɛkɔ hɔ ɛma ɔman no shaky to a certain level a yɛnhwɛ ne yie a yɛbɛyɛ sɛ Mali ne Burkina Faso hɔ no so our security services no wafeli wɔ hɔ totally wafeli wɔ hɔ koraa yɛmmra yɛ education so wafeli wɔ hɔ koraa ɛnoɔma a Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo no Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia with the help of the education minister, 2 education ministers from Baye, Napone, Duchum, Mobile, raise Ghana education to a certain level. Now, a timid Ghana education compare Canada and US and American. Now, I say I drop out. You haven't quite feel warm, any normal course education, and yet let's come to your health. Your health is a sacra. Yɛhwɛ the way a Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo ne Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ne health minister ne mpanyinfoɔ mu NPP mu raise Ghana health. Yɛde education, yɛde health, yɛde drones, any ambulances, any Ajada 111, ɛde ba boost your health sector. Ama Ghanafoɔ ho tɔ wɔn no. Yɛma Ghana health emu yɛ dɛ. Ghana ni kɔ hospital na ni gye so ɔbɛkɔ hospital no sɛ ano saa ne gye ni ho bi mu asɛn nurses are not being paid yɛhwɛ nurses na Nana Addo Dankwa bɛfa wɔn mo ɛdɛ wɔn ba Ghana health ni yɛhwɛ sɛ 1 year yi nurses fo mu tifie ɛne contractor wo twetwa mu Ghana health ama sia Ghana ni ɛyare kɔ hospital yɛtwɛn ho nsɛm gu notebook mu drones ɛnyɛ adwuma asɛn any other sectors are SNK a boost the economy magana ni ho tono no so no many nyina asay ntimi to me no within Mahama 1 year we may written a negative 0.5% because one a idea one I just say asotwe NPP for the man 2016 and Ghana for the man 2016 2024 or the betray Ghana for aso na obe politika e de gu ho na one ne nkrofo ne de I enjoy intino Mahama 1 year na dia me routine sa but Ab0a papa me national executive one they should sit down na omuhu se saa akoa no omo enfrɛ disciplinary committee anim as a communicator ema NPP na untimi defend the party or public it's a very shame and it's a danger to NPP coming to election 2028.